Let's start with the build quality. Compact and premium, the X300 FE has a display of 6.31 in and 8.2mm thin, weighing only 190 grams. It features an aluminum frame with a glass back and has a horizontal camera bar. It comes in three stunning finishes: urban olive, lilac purple, and noir black. Also, it's rated IP68 and IP69. Talking about the display and multimedia, it is a 6.31 in LTPO AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. It has a peak brightness of 5000 nits with low blue light certification, which means you can use it for hours without straining your eyes. The fingerprint sensor is ultrasonic. Not to forget, it comes with good and loud stereo speakers. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which scores 2.8 million on the AnTuTu, paired with an Adreno 829 GPU, LPD, DR5, X Ultra RAM, and has a UFS 4.1 storage, altogether makes the device premium fast. BGMI can be played at extreme graphics with 90 FPS, and Call of Duty gets 120 FPS. Support with temperature and control, which are pretty good. Now, coming on to the cameras, the main sensor is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX921 with OIS and f1.57 aperture, which is larger than the last year's. It also has a 50 MP Sony IMX882 telephoto lens with OIS and an 8 MP ultra-wide lens. The multifocal portrait system lets you shoot from 23mm all the way to 100mm, and faces actually look natural but a bit softened. Up front, a 50 MP Sony IMX921 lens camera, which takes good selfies. And yes, there's an optional telephoto extender Gen 2 lens kit available to take things next level. Other features includes a massive 6500 mAh battery that powers the whole experience with 90-watt wire and 40-watt wireless charging. It runs Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. It comes with 4 OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates. Starting at 79,000 rupees, X300 FE is available from 14th May on Flipkart and Vivo's official store. Like and subscribe Viral Shorts Tech for more such videos.